Welcome to the world's most funny animals, where laughter comes naturally.
Animals have their own way of being comedians without even trying. Dogs make us laugh with their silly reactions and crazy zoomies.
Cats act like kings and queens of the house. They knock things over and pretend nothing happened. Monkeys steal food and copy humans in the funniest ways.
Goats jump on anything they can find. Pandas turn eating into a full comedy show.
They fall, roll, and get back up like nothing happened.
Even penguins make us laugh with their waddling walk. These animals don't try to be funny.
Yet they make millions of people smile every day. They remind us to laugh more and enjoy life's simple moments.